What's going on, guys? My name is William Dauria. Thank you so much for checking out this channel. This channel is about achieving your financial freedom through real estate investing for passive income. I did so by age 32 years old, and I want to share my journey with you, showing you how I did it. The goal of this channel is not only to show you how I achieve my financial freedom so you can be inspired, but also the day-to-day financial decisions that you make that affect you in the long run. My goal for this channel is to be able to grow it to the point where I can afford more affordable housing for the masses and families in need, and also to provide free air transportation via my plane, donating my time, my fuel, and my energy to provide to kids in need with cancer. And I was not born with a silver spoon in my mouth. I was actually kicked out of my house at 17 years old. I lived in Section 8 housing. I worked at McDonald's. I was living paycheck to paycheck. I joined the military. I did 8 years in the military, and I actually took books with me and went through my own college, learning business inside and out. When I got back, I opened up my own company, and within just several years, I built it to become the largest pre-owned sport bike dealership in Texas. Became a millionaire by 29, financially free by 32. But what I did not realize is that I was trading my time for money. And the number one rule in the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is the rich do not trade their time for money. So I sold off the entire dealership. I purchased real estate, rental properties, and affordable housing to provide passive income, and now I live off my passive income and monthly mailbox money checks. I want to show you how to do the same, escape that 9 to 5 if you so desire, and live the life that you deserve. Guys, if you like this content and you like what you hear, consider subscribing for weekly videos, and I will see you on the next one.